was located along a line extending from Hanover Park to Steepney, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
First one.
Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source,
Shaking a little bit. Come off hard. Just laying here.
Impact, travel will become difficult
Someone's
and
currently out of
potentially
commission.
dangerous within
Sadly.
minutes.
Gotta get more
Including the
batteries.
following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 288. Interstate 57 between mile markers 300
Just laying down, man.
358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 154 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 129 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 106.
Let's see.
Interstate 290 between mile markers 7 and 21. Interstate 294 between mile markers 56 and 74.
You suck.
Interstate 355 near mile
Unrecognized
marker
warning.
between mile markers
You suck.
15 and 30. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream,
Is this
Hanover
me?
Park, Calumet City,
I think this is me.
Glendale, Woodridge, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Midway Airport, and South Lawndale.
Oh, it's not.
Slow down. Rapid changes.
Oh my god, it cut off.
This is NOAA's weather radio KG
It cut off.
81 Lockport. Severe weather is
Unrecognized
occurring
warning.
or forecast to occur in our listening area.
Correct.
This station will broadcast severe weather alarm.
Well, perfect. It's just laying here on my phone watching YouTube. And then this pops out of nowhere. I should have known. I knew it was going to happen somewhat. Just knew it was going to happen soon. It's actually my first one that I've ever captured, so. Kind of sick. Oh my god, I gotta chill out a little bit. WGN or WNG 536 is still off the air. Been off the air for a little bit. Waiting for the snow squall to be issued here. Perfect. Well, it is what it is. Be back if anything else comes up. The 10:15. What? Supposed to shoot at 9:49. It's currently 9:53. This was so delayed. Anyways, it is what it is. I don't care. I'll probably be back up anyways. Just waiting for them to issue it here. And then I'll probably post this. Yep, here it is. Fuck you, Chicago. I love you. I have to though. Anyways, gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Might get a couple more. I'll have to see. Might get one in extremely northwestern Indiana, so that might come through again. Actually, no, I have my same. I think. Can you stop blinking? There you go. Pretty sure I got my set same. Yeah, I got single on here. It's my.
A dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Hanover Park.
Alright, well. Get on the score real quick. Snow squall warning. Anyways, thank you.
Falling to less than 1/4.